Alright, here we are. First thing to see is the Astronomers monument right here in front of the observatory. And the name I couldn't remember, the reasonably modern astronomer, is Herschel. And this is him here. To his left is Hipparchus. That's another guy I actually don't know, so once we go inside, I'll be interested to see what they have to say about him. Continuing further to the left is Copernicus. Gave us the heliocentric system of the solar system. And then on his left, or his right as we're moving to the left, is Galileo, one of my personal favorites. You see him holding his telescope and Copernicus holding his books. So Galileo proved what Copernicus said was true. And then coming around to the left again, my left, not theirs, this time we have Johann Kepler. And Kepler was the one, you see him holding his compass. Kepler was the one who proved the mathematics was correct for the Copernican system. And after that, they couldn't refute it anymore. And finally, we come here to Newton. And Newton was the one who invented modern calculus, by which he showed that the orbits of the planets were elliptical, not circular. And finally could produce mathematics to give you an accurate prediction of planetary orbits. So this is really a cool monument, and what's fun is figuring out who these people are just by what they're holding. So, of course, Newton is holding an orb, like an apple. Kepler has his instrument of calculation, his compass. Galileo has his instrument of scientific measure and observation. I guess just observation. His telescope. He's the one who refined the telescope. First pointed it at Jupiter and discovered 4 moons, never before seen. Thought they were 4 new planets. And then Copernicus, with his books, can't tell what Hipparchus is holding. Looks like a scroll, which sounds about right for a Greek for that time period. And all the way over here, Herschel is holding something that looks like a cube or a crystal. So let's find out more about what he did in modern astronomy inside. And then just to let you have a look around, here's the sunset over LA. There's the Hollywood Hills. And back over here to the observatory itself. This telescope on the right is a solar telescope. And this telescope on the left is set up for visitors. And you can see a few of those visitors on the roof lined up to look through the telescope tonight. So we're going to go in and have a look at the exhibits. Last thing we have here is this really fun sundial. But since the sun has gone down, we can't tell what time it is anymore. It's after dark. Come on in.